Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check your statistics on the 10Fastfingers typing speed increasing website. So obviously you have your statistics if you are logged in to this site. So if you are not, I would recommend you to register, and this way you can follow much better your statistics. So when you are here on the typing speed testing page, you can go to your profile name. So this is my name, and here is your profile. Here you can see your achievements. As you can see, I'm quite new, so I don't have too many, but yeah, this is how you can check them. Here are your statistics, login ID. These are not too important. Member since, so as you can see, I am a member 3. I registered 3 days ago. Words typed 2000. I've taken 50 tests, and here are the graphs, which are, I think, the more important part. So here you can see with blue the normal test, the easy one, the top 200 words, and with the yellow one, the advanced test. As you can see, I started taking the advanced tests recently. And here are the statistics. My lowest word per minute with the normal typing test was 38. I don't know how I did that. Probably I stopped or something, because as you can see, it's much lower than my average. My average word per minute with the normal typing speed is 57. As you can see here, this line shows your average point, and my highest word per minute was 66. Probably this one, yeah. And with the advanced test, my lowest word per minute was 55, because I started it later, so I had a little bit of exercise before that. My average is 59, and my highest word per minute is 62. So this is how you can check your statistics. I hope this helps, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you find these videos helpful, and yeah, that's it. Go and do something productive. Thank you. Goodbye.